In today's Microsoft Excel tutorials video, we would be seeing that how can we create and customize the pie charts in Microsoft Excel. Now, the pie charts are used widely in presentations where you want to present the data. So we are going to see that first of all how you can create a pie chart in Microsoft Excel out of the given data, and when you have created a pie chart, how you can focus on a particular data that you want to show to your viewers or to your clients. So let us start first of all with creating a pie chart and learning about the pie charts. So here we have our data from the previous video itself, which is the year and the sales that we have done over these years. So out of this data, since this is the kind of data that could be used for presentation, we want to create a pie chart. So how can we create it? You got to select this whole data and press Ctrl Q as the shortcut. Then go to this charts and you can create a pie chart by selecting on this pie. Now this is the default type of the pie that would be shown in front of you. If you want to customize it, you can customize it as per your choice to anything that you like. Okay, like this, you can just customize it. So this is the type that I'm going to go with. Now what if you want to show that maximum amount of the sales done? So I don't want to show these legends, so I'm just going to go with something without these legends, or if you want you can just delete them like this. Okay, just select any one of them and press the delete key to just delete it. So as you can see, in the year 2017, this is the gray area that has the most amount. So this I want to focus on. So how can you do that during the presentation is you got to select on this gray area, you can just double click over it, and then you will get this format data point option. Now using this format data point, if you want to focus on it, you can just change its angle simply like this. Now I have brought it to the left side, and you can just explode it slightly. You can just increase the explosion like this, so it would be away from the rest of the data to show that how much this data is over here. And if you just hover over it, then you can see that in the sales series, the point is 2017 and the exact value is $39,000, which is the data from the table and its percentage. So that's how you can explode a pie chart for a better understanding during a presentation. If you don't want that, you can simply change its explosion to 0. And if you want all of them to be shown like this, like all of them to be exploded, then you can just single click on any one of the slice and all of these slices would be selected. You can just change their angle to anything that you want, like I want this angle, and if you want you can just increase the pie explosion. When you increase the pie explosion, you can see that all of them are exploded like this. Okay, now what if you don't want to show something of this data, like for the year 2020, this is the least amount of the sales done and I don't want to show this data. So you gotta just double click over here, go to this paint bucket kind of a icon, which is the fill icon, and select no fill. When you do that, you can see that the 2020 data is not visible, but it is actually present over there, but it is not visible. So that's how you can hide some kind of a data while it's still available in the table. So that is important while giving out presentations regarding pie charts. And that's all about the pie charts. And as you know, you can just customize its area to anything, to its appearance, to anything that you want using all these options.